Hi, right now I'm just going to explain a little bit of basic code for a mock project. So basically this project consists on a turtlebot robot to follow the sun. So like kind of just like chasing the sun, like going towards it. So not going towards it, like rotating and looking at it. So for this, we're going to use a gazebo simulation that looks like this. So it's basically the file provided by the turtlebot, like just an empty world, just for having here the robot. This just for convenience, we can launch it in our file. But here we have basically two nodes. These are tests. Two nodes that are important: the publisher and the rotate turtlebot. So this node consists of a custom message here of a OpenCV thing that sends the message, and this other node that receives the message subscribes to this custom one and then publishes on the gazebo simulation, not on the gazebo simulation, on the topic by the twist, um, like the command bell topic on a twist message. And basically that's it. So we're gonna put it to a test to see how it works. Okay, first we're gonna run this to show you how this works. So this is a file that shows some OpenCV things, and basically this would be my sun. This is a red ball that I'm tracking right now. You can see actually my monitor, but I'm tracking this red object as my sun. But it also can be done with how to say it, like with light. So I have here this for convenience. So now we're not tracking the color red, we're tracking like light. So just I'm gonna put the light off my cell phone so you can see it can track light too. And run this. And now as you can see, it's also tracking my face. As you can see, it's tracking the light on my phone. So this would be basically to be my sun, but as I don't want like all the light that's in my room right now, I'm tracking a red object. But it can be with whatever. So that's how that works. So now we're gonna see if we can do like the robot chase the ball. That would be my sun. So now I'm publishing. Also, this can be a separate hmm, like file. So now, if the robot sits on the center, it's gonna stop moving. If it sits to one side, it's gonna try to move until it reaches that side. So it moves, it reaches it, then it moves and it moves to the other side. It's gonna keep doing that. Like if the ball is to this side, it's gonna rotate to that side. If it moves to this other side, it's gonna rotate to that side. And that's basically it. This part can be done in about 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours. And thanks for your attention.